Hey there, fellow travelers on the highway of life. So you've reached a milestone. Maybe it's the big 4 to 0, 45, or even 50. And you're starting to wonder if life has thrown you all the cards it's got. Well, let me tell you, age is merely a number, and the adventure is far from over. Today, I'm about to drop some knowledge bombs that I wish I had known in my 20s or early 30s. Whether you're stuck in the maze of unfulfilled dreams, seeking that dream job, or yearning for a meaningful relationship, I've got a secret to share. This isn't just about reaching goals. It's about a profound shift in perspective that can turn your frustrating loop into a journey of self-discovery. Stick around as I unveil the keys to a more purposeful and aware life. Trust me, it's a game changer. What's up, wonderful souls? Welcome back to the place where we dive deep into the waters of self-discovery and personal growth. Today, we're not just talking about age, we're talking about the wisdom that comes with it. Picture this. You're at a crossroads, feeling like you've tried every trick in the book to manifest your dreams, only to find yourself in what seems like an eternal loop of desire and frustration. I've been there, and it took me a good 10 years to distill the lessons into this video. Age might be catching up with us, but it doesn't define us in the grand scheme of things. In a world that often feels like a matrix, there's a powerful revelation waiting for you. You see, the key isn't just in reaching your goals, but in how you approach the journey. Today, we're talking about trust, letting go, and a game-changing practice that turned my life around: daily affirmations. So, grab a cup of tea, find a comfortable spot, and let's embark on a journey together. This isn't about quick fixes or superficial advice. It's about fundamental shifts in mindset that can transform your entire existence. Get ready to uncover the secrets that took me a decade to unravel. Buckle up, because today, we're not just talking about age. We're talking about the timeless wisdom that can reshape your reality. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. Imagine the scenario. You're tirelessly chasing after your dreams, desperately seeking that perfect relationship, but it feels like you're trapped in an intricate maze with no clear exit. The frustration mounts as you give your all, trying every trick in the book, only to face dead ends repeatedly. Now, here's the truth bomb that changed my entire perspective. Part of the profound journey of growth and awakening is acknowledging that life operates on its terms, not ours. The illusion of control, that belief we hold on to thinking we can orchestrate every aspect of our existence, is nothing more than a mirage. Trust, in its truest sense, involves wholeheartedly embracing the idea that there's a grand plan unfolding. It's about understanding that every twist and turn, even those detours that seem to lead us away from our goals, is an integral part of that cosmic plan. Shifting our perspective is the key to breaking free from the frustrating loop. It's about learning to appreciate the journey with all its uncertainties and acknowledging the incredible power of the universe to guide us. So, let's break the chains of our self-imposed limitations, shift our gaze from the maze's dead ends, and instead open our eyes to the vast possibilities that trusting the grand plan can offer. Expectations, the silent saboteurs of our joy and peace of mind. Like heavy chains, they bind us, creating resistance in our minds and impeding the natural flow of life's currents. Imagine for a moment, you're clinging desperately to a specific outcome, convinced that your vision is the only path to fulfillment. It's as if you're telling the universe, "Step aside. I've got this," with an air of subtle arrogance. But here's the harsh truth. When we cling too tightly to our expectations, we're essentially asserting that our limited ego knows better than the vast wisdom of the universe or the divine intelligence guiding us. It's a precarious tightrope walk between ambition and arrogance, and more often than not, it's our own inflated sense of certainty that becomes the stumbling block on our journey to true fulfillment. Now, picture life as a beautiful, intricate dance of divine synchrony. a symphony of cosmic forces working in harmony. Letting go, then, becomes an art, a graceful movement in this cosmic ballet. It's about surrendering the need to dictate the hows and whens of our desires, and instead learning to flow with the rhythm of life. Imagine releasing your grip on the steering wheel, trusting that the universe has a far grander plan in store for you than you could ever conceive. By relinquishing our need for control and surrendering to the uncertainty of the unknown, we open ourselves to the infinite possibilities that lie beyond our narrow expectations. In essence, letting go isn't about resignation or defeat. It's about liberation, a freedom from the self-imposed shackles of our own desires. It's about embracing the unfolding of life's mysteries with open arms, knowing that the universe's magic often manifests in ways far more extraordinary than we could have ever imagined. So, dare to release your expectations and watch as the universe unfolds its wonders before you in ways you never thought possible. Now, picture this. After a decade of traversing the intricate labyrinth of self-discovery, I stumbled upon a game changer, a secret weapon in the arsenal of personal transformation, daily affirmations. But let me clarify, this isn't about the casual repetition of positive statements. It's a profound and intentional process of reprogramming the very fabric of your subconscious mind. Think of affirmations as more than just words. Envision them as the gentle yet persistent gardener tending to the fertile soil of your mind. With every affirmation, a seed is planted, seeds of confidence, seeds of surrender. These are the silent architects shaping the landscape of your inner world. Now, I'm not talking about a fleeting 10-minute commitment here. This is about elevating affirmations to the status of a daily ritual, a conscious choice you make to sculpt and mold your mindset. Affirmations cease to be mere words. They transform into your allies, your companions in this journey toward a more positive and purposeful life. Whether you're declaring, "I trust the universe's plan," or "I release my need for control," each affirmation serves as a catalyst, sparking a profound shift in perception. These statements, when consistently embraced, become the architects of a mental environment teeming with confidence, acceptance, and an openness to the abundance life has to offer. Imagine waking up each morning and, with purposeful intent, planting the seeds of positivity in the garden of your mind. As you water them throughout the day with the repetition of affirmations, you're fostering an ecosystem where self-doubt withers away, replaced by the vibrant growth of self-assurance and trust. In the grand symphony of existence, daily affirmations aren't just a note, they are your melody of empowerment and transformation. They harmonize with the universe's rhythm, resonating through your thoughts, emotions, and actions. The repetition isn't monotony. It's a deliberate and conscious effort to tune your inner orchestra to the frequencies of success, fulfillment, and joy. So, as you embark on this journey of daily affirmations, remember, you're not just uttering words. You're composing the soundtrack of your own evolution. Embrace the melody, let it guide you, and watch as your life transforms into a symphony of empowerment and positive change. So there you have it, trust, letting go, and daily affirmations, the trio that can transform your life. I challenge you to incorporate these practices into your daily routine. Start trusting the journey, let go of those expectations, and embrace the power of daily affirmations. Share your experiences in the comments below, and let's inspire each other on this incredible journey. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on more life-changing content. Until next time, keep trusting, keep letting go, and keep affirming the positive.